Wings have become one of my passions. I love cooking wings. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to cook wings today. The first step we're going to take is sectioning the wings into what they call party wings. We're going to cut the tip off, which is inedible, and then we're going to separate the rest of the wing into two sections. So you have the drumette and the flat. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of olive oil and about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of the seasoning. We're going to toss them all together, make sure everything has some even coverage, and then we're going to let them get happy, let them marinate for 20-30 minutes, and then we're going to throw them on the grill. We're rolling at about 350 right now. We're going to do about 10 minutes aside, and that should be enough to get some nice crispy skin, fat fully rendered, and the meat all cooked all the way through. It's one of my favorite things to cook. I enjoy doing wings. Even had an idea for doing a chicken wing restaurant, calling it Big Ed's Flapper Shack, you know, like chicken flappers. When you try these, you'll see you're going to have a really flavorful wing without the mess of buffalo sauce and vinegars and all that. Thanks for having me, Ken.
Thank you for coming. What are you doing tomorrow night?
I think we're going to have Japanese tomorrow night, I don't know.
Come on over here.
We'll do it. Hey, I think I'll be back here in a couple weeks. We'll do it again. We'll be down.
Yeah, we're doing it again.
For sure, dude.
We're doing it again.
Heck yeah, I'm down. That was awesome.